Alright, so one thing when we're camping, what I always like to have, I do like to start my morning with a cup of good camp coffee. The trouble is trying to find a good way to do that. So this is a new product from Ultimate Survival Technologies. This is their FlexWare drip coffee maker. And I already have some hot water in my pot here. And the way it works, this is silicone and just pops out like that. 2 holes at the bottom. What we're going to put a cone in here with some coffee grounds. It's going to drip out of these holes into our double up cup. If you haven't seen the double up cup, kind of a neat thing. Also, brand new this year, has a silicone sleeve in it, so I got 2 cups in one. It's really nice for coffee because it has this lip protector right here, so you're not going to burn your mouth even if you have really hot coffee. So the way this is going to work, I'm going to put my Flex coffee brewer right here, and this is a number 2 cone filter. You can buy just at the grocery store, and I pre-make these. I fold them over like that. I have about a tablespoon of regular coffee grounds in there. Okay, I fluff it up. I put it inside. Having a nice stable surface is really important with these. And I'm just going to take some hot water and pour it over the top. Do it kind of slowly. Good coffee does take time. And I'm just going to show you the action here. And it just drips down. And I'll pick it up. See the drip action. Look at that. Alright. Exciting video watching coffee brew, huh? Alright. So we're going to take that off. Could let it drip a little bit more, but for the sake of the video, look at that. Delicious camp coffee. No grounds. A pretty economical way to do it. And super tasty. Thanks for watching.